Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
From the iPad's home screen, open the Settings app. Tap on the Accessibility tab and select Guided Access. Switch on Guided Access and tap on Passcode settings. Tap on Set Guided Access Passcode and create a unique passcode. When your application is open, triple tap the Home button to activate Guided Access. Guided Access started will appear on the screen, signifying that it was successful. Triple tap the Home button again and enter your passcode to bring up the Guided Access options. From the Options menu, you are able to activate or deactivate any functions you want to be interactive. You are also able to circle any options within your app that you wish to block from the user. Tap on Resume to reactivate Guided Access with your new settings. To end Guided Access, triple tap the Home button, remove the highlighted areas from the selected functions and tap on End to finalize the action. Follow these steps to customize your event check-in experience. For more information, visit us at choose2rent.com.